Hi everyone, welcome to the show. I need a new mallet, a carving mallet this time I think, and I think there's probably one in here. I'm going to try and do a lead insert. That's the plan at the moment anyway, although things change. Everybody seems to do a mallet making video these days, so I thought I'd do one. I'd like a carving mallet anyway, so we'll see how it goes. I will try and do a lead insert in this. This is an idea of a design from Andy Phillip actually. He's done one I think with a molten lead filling as well. We'll see how we go. Right, let's get this round. Okay, time for the handle. This is a bit of ash. Straightest grain I could find. Face mask on. Probably don't even need glue, but I'm going to anyway. Knowing my luck at the moment. If you're liking the video, please subscribe and hit the like button. I'm doing a video a week, although this is a couple of days late and so was the last one, but because of the holidays, family stuff, you know. But please subscribe and hit the like, it really helps the channel with the old algorithm. Yes, not bad so far. Still go wrong. We'll pour molten lead into it yet, that should be interesting. Now, I've got a funny feeling my tailstock is going to be struggling. I don't know. Well, what do you know? I thought I was going to have a problem there. Come out true a little bit. I kind of like to buy the bed extension for this lathe, but they want like 200 quid for it, nearly. Pounds, sorry, English slang. Right, I'm going to sand it and then I'll bring you back to put some finish on, and then I need to weigh it and find out how much lead needs to go in, and then we'll do that bit. Time to put some sanding sealer on it. I nearly always forget at some point to cover the lathe bed. Always cover your lathe bed. This stuff just is horrible to cast iron. Doesn't like it at all. Done a few things in Sapele and ash. If you have a look through my videos, you'll see some other composite kind of things. The two do go together ever so well. I'm going to take that off and I'm going to weigh it to then work out how much lead we need, and then try and guess how big the hole's got to be. That could be quite entertaining. Right, well, it comes in at 530 grams. And I'm going to make this up to an 850 gram mallet, which means it's probably going to need quite a bit. So let's go and weigh out some lead and see what happens. So we need, let's say, 350 grams of lead. Right, now we need to melt it. Now, this has to be done in a very well ventilated area. This is horrifically dangerous stuff, so don't try doing this unless you're absolutely confident. I'm going to rig up a fume extractor and then we're going to melt the lead. Oh, before I do that, I probably ought to drill the hole. So, how much volume does this take up? Oh. So this is a 43mm pot, and I reckon it's probably going to be, once it's melted, 20% smaller. So I'm going to do a hole 35mm deep by 40 wide. Right, well, I drilled a small hole in the end, but it's not big enough, so I need to hollow it out a little bit further. Hollowing tool. I put it in the steady I made because, frankly, last time I did this, the thing flew out and landed on the floor, so hopefully this will stop it. Right, hopefully that'll do. I've put a little ridge inside there, so that hopefully that will stop the lead from popping out. Thanks for watching, everybody. Please hit the like button and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. It'd be good to have you aboard, and I'll see you next time.